And
may I add one?
If you just focus on African
sure,
experience.
of course. I saw a very good example of, the Tunisian case. Actually, I was reading that, and then it was amazing. Like there was a kiosk started in 2011, the Arab Spring. You remember, right? And then after in 2013, they started a new democratic election, and like that. But the government was a little bit, extremist in the Islamic religion, and then there are seculars and other parties there, which runs in secularity. And then they were argued with that because we are here to put democracy, they said, but still the negative vibe was there. So even the opposition party leader was killed, imagine. And then the other opposition party from the other party also killed. And then the kiosk again started. And, this is a kind of a situation which is going to kill the country even. So one of the labor union took the initiative to take the dialogue. So they called, the union called those who are stakeholders for this situation to make a dialogue, fruitful. They started this. And then the other parties also, the unions also joined them. Another 3 unions joined. They are still civil societies, 4. And then they call National Dialogue Quartet. This National Dialogue Quartet played a greater role to change Tunis today. So Tunis is, now a little bit safe in Africa, Tunisia, if we take a little bit safe. And then finally what happened was a very surprising thing is on the Peace Prize of the Nobel Peace Prize in 2015, what they did on the national dialogue. See, they contributed for their country, they saved their country, they did amazing thing for their country, they let the country to be better. Then finally, you see, the world was watching. There was no intervention of the foreigners. The AUs, the UN and everything. They did everything by themselves. And then finally, they were awarded with the Nobel Prize. Look, when you do something good, people watches you in a better way. You are saving your generation. You are saving your country. So they have to take such kind of commitment. There are a lot of issues are raising before this, which makes you to be disappointed by not to go on with this the national dialogue. Many those who are in conflict entrepreneurs, you can call them. These people are making a mess but still the only option we have is this one. So we have to work on that. That is my suggestion. So we have to take experiences from others and then save the country.